Start, sir.
Hello students and viewers, good morning. I think all of you are quite okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also okay. I am Mr. Shohidullah, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Mirzapur Government College, Mirzapur, Tamil. Today I am here to discuss the life and existence of panda. Giant panda, a very beloved and lovely animal that is available in China, but they are rarely found in another parts of the world. Dear students, you know, we human beings live in this world in an environment along with other creatures, animals and plants. And we human beings are primarily held responsible for making good or bad for ourselves along with others. And we are the only factors who are doing or creating dangerous environment to endanger or for all species in the world. If we do not do anything positively for the betterment of the environment from today, the world will be unfit for living for all living creatures in the world. So it is now high time for us all to do something positive and to change the environment from bad to good, from worst to better, from worst to best. It is our moral duty to change the world to a better one, just to make or create a healthy environment and atmosphere for all living beings in the world. You know, some creatures have already been vanished. That means extinct from this world due to some fatal causes happened in the world in the previous days. And some other animals are waiting for being extinct. So it is our moral duty to save ourselves as well as to save the other animals and creatures in this world. It is a world where we live in, called a place where we are not happy, live happily because of global warming. The world is getting warmer and warmer, and this is called global warming. Global warming is such a dangerous situation where no living being can survive further. And if this global warming condition goes uncontrolled or beyond our capacity to control, no living being will be left in the world after 1 or 2 centuries. So, gradually we are going or entering into the world of dangers for our own cause. Because what we are doing for our temporary happiness and comfort, that leaves a bad effect or dangerous effect on all other living creatures in the world. And that's why the whole world is going to be uninhabitable for all. You know, I told sometimes at the beginning of my lecture, today I will discuss on panda. Panda is a very lovely, beloved animals in the world. It is rarely found in other parts of the world except China. In China, some regions are fit for bamboo productions, and production of bamboo are abundant in some regions where pandas live, because 99% pandas diet is bamboos, and a panda needs 38 kilograms of bamboos daily. So we can easily imagine that a large number of pandas need a large amount of bamboos daily. So it is essential to increase the bamboo production higher pandas and feed on this only diet for them, the bamboos. But it is a matter of great regret that due to the global warming, the production of bamboos are decreasing day by day. And due to the shortage of food, pandas are in a great threat to survive. Because, no creatures, animals and plants cannot live, or no living beings can live without food. Food is our main element to live in this world. And food production, if food production fall down, nobody will survive without food. And that's why pandas are in great threat. And that's why the researchers of the world suggested that as due to global warming, the production of bamboos are hampered and decrease day by day. Production of bamboo should be replaced from the warmer regions to the cooler regions. And if we fail to do this, pandas will perish from this world within a very short period of time. Because their only diet, bamboo production, is greatly hampered by global warming. That's why it is a crying need to replace the pandas in a cooler region with the huge productions of bamboos in that places. And to do these things, we should take immediate actions to provide them in the better place with the sufficient food. That means we should replace the food production, bamboo production place from the warmer place to cooler region, and the production will be or should be increased within a very short time. Otherwise, it will cause a great harm for the pandas. Another cause that causes great hamper for the survival of pandas is human being directly. We human beings are also responsible for this, both environment pollution and at the same time human beings are cutting down plants, trees and bushes for building their houses and to increase their cultivable land by cutting hills and forest lands. And if this cessation is going on in such a way without any control, danger will come within a very short period of time for the pandas life, and they cannot survive in this world anymore. You know, I said at the beginning of my class that some animals have already been extinct from this world, that means perished, and they will never come back again to present themselves or itself before us. Just we see them only in books, in cinemas, or in any videos. Like that, one day, if we do not do anything positive for pandas, food productions and replacement of panda from the warmer place to cooler place, panda will be just like that perished animals that will be seen in the books, that will be seen in papers, magazines as a picture, not as living animals. And perhaps some videos or cinemas will produce before us that these were the pandas, like dinosaurs. Dinosaur is the biggest animals in the world, but they have already been extinct many years or many centuries ago due to some fatal process that helped them to be extinct. And that is why the people should be careful and conscious enough to do something positive for the panda's life and panda's congenial atmosphere to live in or to survive. And that's why the government as well as the public should be careful enough for their life to save them from becoming most dangerous environment or situation for them. Some researchers predict that within a century, if the production of bamboos is decreased in such a rate, we will fail to protect them and they will be perished from this world within a very short period of time. And we lost a very lovely and gentle animals from this world. That is why it is our duty to save them. It is our duty to guard them. It is our duty to protect them, not to be perished, not to be extinct, not to be destroyed, not to be killed. And it is also predicted that by the researchers or scientists that if we fail to do any positive work for pandas' life, to make or to create any congenial atmosphere for them to live for a longer time, pandas will be seen only a handful amount of number only in zoos in the world as well as in the breeding places. And one day it will be perished forever with the whole group. So it will be a very regrettable matter for human being because their endangered life completely depends on our careful and conscious attempts for them to survive. Dear students, today's class is on pandas and pandas' life is in dangerous situation. Next class will be on questions and other problems that is essential and important for you for the examinations. And I will produce short videos and it will help you to know more and more about pandas.